The mining environment presents a number of challenges to data communications. Generally, you have a lot of competing frequencies. You also have a changing topology, constantly blasting benches and moving infrastructure and moving shovels, and they're changing traffic patterns all the time. We need central communications for all of the mining systems. Using a Rajant Kinetic Mesh, there's no central controller. There's no need to place access points. One of the things that makes the Kinetic Mesh so adaptable is that you can place a node anywhere, turn it on, and it introduces itself to the mesh and starts working. The trucks are connected, the drills are connected, the high-precision dozers are connected, all through one central location so that they can dispatch trucks to shovels, to dumps, to crushers, keeping everything moving, nothing sitting. There are a lot of opportunities for an aerial platform here in the mine. Anything from survey video to providing data communications, surveying for a changing topology, to post-blast evaluation.
We're able to utilize the Rajant network that's already been established at the mine to be able to communicate with drones with any sort of sensor data, as well as command and control the drones and see their health while they're in the air.
The drone would operate on the network like any other node. The aerial platform would simply integrate and you would be able to monitor the telemetry of the drone. So normal GPS gives you anywhere between 10 and 30 feet. The RTK or the GPS corrections that we get us down to the centimeter. So with the addition of high precision on an aerial platform, we can use the data from the GPS corrections to get the drone exactly where it needs to be, to the centimeter.
The beauty of the system is that you can schedule it or you can just push one button and it'll fly the entire mission without human intervention. The system itself can be adapted to different uses. Different types of sensors can be outfitted and that data can be sent across the network to your ground station or stored locally on the drone itself. As if you have a very large mine, it might take several flights to be able to survey the entire mine. With the drone swarm, the task can be split between multiple robots. You could feasibly map the entire area with a large drone swarm in a very short amount of time. You could make daily maps to show the differences from day to day, giving you much better resolution with much better accuracy than satellite data. The autonomous aerial devices that we're designing and implementing adds a whole new set of capabilities to the Rajant network. Our ultimate goal is to enable the mine to make smarter decisions safely and cost effectively.